Brainy Dose presents How to Make Someone Miss You, 6 Psychology Tricks. Whether you're newly dating or have been together for quite a while, it's always nice to be missed. Missing someone, on the other hand, can be either exciting or torture, depending on your attachment style and personality. Some of these dating rules might seem outdated or manipulative, but they've lasted for a reason. They work for both girls and guys. So if you're missing someone and want to know how to make them miss you back, keep watching. Number 1. Be mysterious. It can be easy to get caught up when you meet someone new and you want to get to know everything about them. You spend late nights on the phone talking about anything and everything, but be careful not to share too much too soon. Being too open can make people uncomfortable, and revealing all of yourself up front doesn't give them the chance to wonder about you. At the same time, no need to be secretive. When you're talking and they ask you something, be honest. You don't want to discourage conversation, but share just enough to make them want to know more. Another aspect of being mysterious so they'll miss you is sometimes being unavailable. You shouldn't make things up just so they'll miss you, but you also shouldn't be available every time they call, text, or invite you out. You want them to know that you have a life outside of them too. Number 2, be strategic in your communications. Nobody wants to be the one who's initiating contact all the time, so be strategic about it. It can be hard to resist texting them when they're the person you want to share everything with, so put your phone on silent if you have to. That way, you aren't texting them constantly, and you're not tempted to immediately respond when they text you. If you want to leave them wanting more, put them in a position where the ball is in their court. You can do this by making sure to end the conversation first. This can be a bit of a challenge. Who doesn't want to spend all night chatting on the phone with that special someone, especially in the beginning? But ending the conversation first leaves them craving more, so they're more likely to initiate contact the next time. Number 3, use social media wisely. It's tempting to send subliminal messages through social media posts. You might think they'll miss you more if they see you out having fun without them, and they might. But don't overdo it. You don't want to look like you're trying too hard. If you put everything you're doing out there on social media, then they'll know exactly what you're up to and won't have the chance to miss you or wonder what you're doing. If you have something social media worthy, then by all means post it. But don't go out of your way to make yourself seem more important or busy than you really are. You should also limit interacting with their social media. You don't want to give the impression that you're not doing anything but sitting there thinking about them. Just like with texting, it's okay to make them wait a while. There's nothing wrong with a delayed reaction. Number 4, be absent. If absence makes the heart grow fonder, they can't miss you if you're always there. You have to give them space to do so. If you spend most of your time together, detach and spend some time apart. The trick with this one is to make the most of it. Don't do it just to get them to miss you. As their heart is out there growing fonder, don't just sit in the dark and sulk the whole time. Use this as an opportunity to do things you enjoy that your partner doesn't particularly like doing. This could be with friends or by yourself. It's common to stop spending as much time with friends when getting into a relationship, and there is something truly liberating about being able to do things alone. The key here is to keep yourself busy. You can spend time with loved ones you haven't seen in a while, or pursue your own hobbies. Take the time to nurture your own goals and passions. You might learn a lot about yourself in your time apart. Number 5, build anticipation. Make plans to give them something to look forward to. It could be something as simple as your next date, or tickets to an upcoming concert you're both dying to go to. To make things a little spicier, don't tell them what it is. Just say that you have plans for your next get-together, but keep them in suspense. The anticipation will build up their eagerness to see you again, and they'll be missing you in no time. After all, who can resist a good surprise? Number 6, be memorable. A surefire way to make them miss you is to make the most of your time together, so they want to be around you more. Be someone worth missing. If all you do when you're together is argue, or you're always on your phone when they're trying to get some quality time in, there's not really much to miss. But If your time together is full of good conversations and experiences, then naturally, when you're apart, they'll think of those good times and miss you. This is also a reminder to be adventurous and spontaneous. Trying new things and building memorable experiences when you are together automatically ties those new experiences to you. So whenever that thing pops up, they'll be reminded of you and miss you. The rules of dating used to say that after a first date, guys should wait 3 days before texting, and girls should wait at least twice as long to respond. By that measure, you've already lost a week to antiquated and arbitrary rules. Who doesn't like to be missed? Make the most of your time together, and your time spent apart will be doing just that. Are you missing someone right now? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.